August afternoon, I can picture you walking with your father at your side. In the summer heat, California speaks softly like she's making up her mind. And now, as I stand beside you, I say, baby, isn't it crazy that we are born only to die? Oh, but lately I've been counting my stars, 'cause
Bangga engkau dengan anak kandung saya yang bernama Mardiana Atika dengan mas kawin logam mulia seberat 10 gram dibayar tunai.
Saya terima nikah dan kawinnya Mardiana Atika binti Adi Wibowo dengan mas kawin tersebut tunai.
Barakallah wa baraka alaika wa jama'a baina.
pretended I could read your thoughts. Now it's just the truth. Seems our hearts are fused, soldered like the gold your sister brought. And how am I lucky enough to say, baby, isn't it crazy that we are born only to die? Oh, but lately I've been counting my stars, 'cause I will spend my whole life loving you, 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 loving you. And I say, baby, isn't it crazy that we are born only to die? Oh, but lately I've been counting my stars, 'cause I will spend my whole life loving you. August afternoon, I can picture you walking with your father at your side. In the summer heat, California speaks softly like she's making up her mind. And now, as I stand beside you, I say, baby, isn't it crazy that we are born only to die? Oh, but lately spend my whole life loving you. Through your shining eyes, sweet like Jeffrey Pines, I pretended I could read.